Yeah, my life before treatment was actually pretty difficult, and I started having serious back problems probably early 90s. And I have been seeing specialists, and I have been up to the San Francisco Spine Clinic, and I was always told that it's not very much they can do about it. I had, in the meantime, 2 lumbar injections. I've had intensive physical therapy before I started, the treatment here with Dr. Palmer. And like I said, it was very, very difficult. I was, not able to do my gardening. I was not able to ice skate. I was just basically very limited to my daily activities. Also in a lot of discomfort for most of the time. I heard about Dr. Palmer over the radio, which was when he was just started out, and I thought, well, this is probably at least worthwhile the shot. I called, made an appointment, liked him, liked the outfit, and everybody here, and so we went ahead and did the treatment with the DRX machine. And I have to say, it definitely changed my life. It has made such an incredible difference because I feel good. 98% of the time I feel good. I'd be able to, again, walk, gardening. I have an ice skate, and I probably don't want to do that, not necessarily because of my back. Maybe I don't want to break any bones. But basically, it has changed my life pretty dramatically. The treatment itself was, let's see, I did it for 5 weeks, started in June of 2006, and I did the full program. And also what I'm doing is I'm following up with the rehydration a program, which means like I get so many treatments a year. I think it's like every 4 months or 3 months, 2 treatments. And that really has helped maintaining my back, and I've had very, very little problems. Rehydration means that, you come back, you do get the machine treatment, the DRX treatment. You also have to, of course, drink lots of fluids as, you're instructed. And what I do also in the meantime is, which is very, very important, to do my stretch exercise. I try to do that at least now 2 to 3 times a week. After the original treatment, I was given a program by Dr. Palmer that, and was instructed, to start off slow and then increase it and just stick with that on an almost daily basis, at least for the first 6 weeks. And then gradually I could decrease it a little bit, but I'll try to keep it up as much as I possibly can, because when I do these exercises, especially the stretching, is very helpful as far as my, my spine is concerned. It is working, definitely. Well, everything has really worked. Like I said, the 98%, the improvement is just tremendous. I think the success rate is like about 86. My personal success rate, I would say, is at least about 98. Anywhere between 96 and 98. So, I mean, I am just absolutely tickled. And I hope that I'm going to be able to keep up the rehydration program, because to me personally, some people do different things maybe. To me personally, it has been very helpful. If I can go in and have my back treated, let's say every 2-3 months, a couple of times, has been very helpful. Oh, very, very, very painful. I was very, and also was very depressed, because at this point I had so very little hope, because I've gotten so many, negative answers, and nothing can be done about it. And to me that was so bleak, because I said, my God, this is going to be maybe the rest of my life. I'm going to be incapacitated to a level where it's going to make me absolutely miserable, So that has definitely changed. Very nice, very nice. I mean, they're very helpful, they're very knowledgeable, and well, of course I started out with Kim, and that was, of course, a great success story, I should say. But no, the staff, everybody here is just wonderful. Was I skeptical? No, I was actually I have to say I was very hopeful, because I watched the video. I went on the website, and I would recommend that everybody who wants to know something about it and does not know anything about this particular treatment and the machine should definitely go on the website, because it is very informative as far as how this works and what happens there when you get the treatment. And that was what convinced me that I should definitely go ahead, try that treatment, because it looked very promising and it made perfect sense. Well, it was just the fact that I think that was it was a different kind of treatment, and he was, you know, he was very knowledgeable, he was very patient, and he was also very encouraging. And, well, it was just different from the fact that, you know, I had some hope. He gave me some hope that there could be something positive coming out of this and something helpful, which it did, obviously. I'm sitting here. I'm not on a stretcher. Just kidding. Oh, absolutely. Yes, the cost, I mean, was it worth it, everything? Absolutely. Absolutely. I would do it again if it would come to that point. Oh, yeah, I have. I have recommended people, definitely, yes. Whoever I talk to and has a back problem, you know, that is what I tell them to do, to check it out. I give them the website, go and check it out, and, you know, and come and talk to Dr. Palmer.